Hi, and welcome to Scotland's Route 66. Creating a journey is simple. Just load the app and navigate to Maps. Here you will find various categories for you to search through. Just simply click on your desired category and find the places you wish to visit. You can use our Legends button, located near the top right, next to the category name, to view the names of the locations, or simply pinch and zoom to your desired location and click on the marker and add to journey. This process can be repeated throughout the map by simply clicking back and finding another marker and adding the next one to the journey. You can also leave the current category and add markers from other maps using the same process. Once you've selected all your markers, you can simply click the very top right icon and Save Journey. Enter a name, click Save, and your journey is saved. Your journey can be located now on the main menu under My Journeys. Feel free to create as many as you like, and remember, it's more than just a journey.